So during senior high school, I really appreciate all the courses that we have sa ABM, such as yung entrepreneurship, marketing management, and meron din kaming course where we have to film. And actually during those subject, I'm the director of the film where we won the best in film. And meron din kaming mga accounting, business research, and through those subjects, na-enjoy ko talaga siya kasi hindi lang siya more on educational subjects. Dahil nga yung interest ko is leaning towards having a career in management, na-apply ko yung mga lessons that I've learned sa ABM. So, nung college, I decided na I wanted to explore more yung business world. And true to its claim, during my college days, na dami ko din talagang natutunan in my course, especially in business analytics, kasi nga parang iilan lang yung school that offers specialization. And I'm really glad that I took business analytics as my specialization because I am now able to create or derive insights sa mga data. Tapos, dun din sa course ko, na-expose kami in participating in competitions like the ERP Sim. And it's really once in a lifetime opportunity na ma-expose sa ganong real world competitions, and I'm really glad through those competitions, through those subjects, I'm able to apply it in my internship experience in an FMCG company.
Well, I can describe my website in 3 words. Well, especially words that starts with letter C. First, charming, then creative, plus cute.
Plain, simple, and straightforward.
Motivated, captivating, and passionate.
My website is simple, elegant, and functional.
To be honest, the things that I like in my webblog class is yung interaction with my classmates, since iba talaga pag on-site ka and if you're online. And also, plus factor na rin na magaling magturo yung teacher namin.
Introduction of multiple technologies such as JS, PHP, MySQL, Linux.
What I have liked the most in my classes in web programming is that Sir Eugenio is very supportive in every activity that we do.
I was able to find a deeper understanding of what the technology is and learn more about it.
So yeah, I had fun kasi I was able to apply my artistic skills through this activity of ours, which is to create a personal website.
Actually, yes, because as I first read the instructions, I was glad that there are no limitations in the design aspect. So for the said activity, my brain automatically imagined a simple design that is fairly easy to implement.
During this project, I felt an opportunity to prove to myself that I am capable in applying what I have learned with Sir Eugenio and APC throughout the years. I had fun in the process of making my personal website.
Actually, yes, I was able to apply what I love and the characteristics that I have, like being minimalistic, the simplicity of a website, and being contemporary. With this, I was able to add the features and animations that I really love to.
What's your name? My name is Nidhi.
My name is Gio.
I am Rika.
Hi, I am Jomar.
I'm Portia. My name is Ellie. My dream job is to be an actress.
My dream job? Well, first of all, sa childhood... pasok lang talaga. Sorry. Well, I want to be one of the best cinematographers. Sorry. Hey, don't laugh! Okay, ready po. Okay.
I want to be a lawyer.
Of course, I want to be news anchor.
I want to be a psychologist. My dream job is to be a licensed obigaini.
I want to be one of the best cinematographers in the world.
My career idol is Zendaya.
Currently, I don't really indulge in on the well-known people since I don't really want them to affect my style, and I'm still trying to find my own.
Doc Tata?
Sir Rick Reason.
Jeff Bezos. I don't have any career idol. I want to make my own company one day.
Dream employer? No one. I want to work for myself.
I want to work at a law firm in the Philippines. So,
ABS Incorporated.
Makati Medical City.
known medical school or company.
Have you ever wondered where an AB psychology with specialization in IO psychology could take you? The possibilities are endless. Be a psychometrician. As a psychometrician, you will be able to shape workplaces and you will be able to optimize and transform human capital. I'm a psychometrician, and this is a career that you will love because you will be able to design tests, you'll be able to interpret test results, and you will help organization to find the right people at the right job and at the right time, and most importantly, at the right cost. Be a psychometrician.
yourself in 5 years?
To be telling the world stories, to weave my own path, to design new heights and visions, to be heard in creative ways, to be above the corporate ladder, to be in charge of your own future.
And to be the next big thing. Because we're not meant to be just one thing. Success can mean anything. This is for the storytellers, the dreamers, the visionaries, and the goal-getters. This is a platform created for those seeking a new horizon. How about you? What's your horizon?
Light it up, light it up, light it up. 나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야 break 없는 break 택도 없는 것들을 택도 안 되고 we don't take it I'm not 절대 back on the type I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you 싹다 부수고 항상 먹고 light it up.
Welcome to Asia Pacific College. Here, we're more than our degree programs, more than our intensive faculty-student interaction, more than our industry linkages, or more than the employability of our graduates from internship. Guided by integrity, industry, and innovation, a culture of exploration drives us forward as we set course in treading blue ocean, exploring the unknown and unimagined. We inspire and motivate each other to discover new ways to change the world, empowering our students to live up to their potential and realize their aspiration. We prepare our students to make a difference. We live with purpose and conviction. And we work hard to ensure that our best is always becoming better. Greater things await you at Asia Pacific College.
Hello po mga kaibigan at mga nanonood sa live na Facebook feed ng Semis Game 3 ng Tostitos at Benny Vidi Vici. Kung naninibago kayo, ayan, bagong-bago itong commentary pauso. Commentary, oo nga. Ay, mamaya nga, pupunta rin tayo doon. Pero yun nga, welcome back sa Season 9 and the 10th anniversary ng APCA Alumni Basketball Tournament. Ito ang Game 3 Semis between Benny Vidi Vici and Tostitos. Sino ang papasok sa finals? Alamin natin.
Sa ilang saglit lang.
This afternoon, both of the thrilling knockout semis between Tostitos and Benny Vidi Vici here at APC Gym. No second chances, no tomorrow, so get ready for high-intensity action and the passion of basketball at its finest. This is Aqua Basketball Tournament Season 9. Join me in welcoming the starting lineups. Introducing first, Tostitos. At court number 30, Gerald Castaneres. The other forward number 24, Gus Delacuesta. Playing center number 20, Miguel Amoral. At guard number 18, Archie Gatil. To guard number 8, their team captain, Rix Estabilio. And here's for Benny Vidi Vici. Starting at guard number 9, Justin Beckinwell. Forward number 16, Kyle Trinidad. Also at forward number 27, Carlo Abubato. Point guard number 71, Akas Antabo. Coming in at center number 41, Lavesh Chandlani. The team captain is Nico Conta. The game officials are Spencer Dennis, W. Escaros, John Masigas, and Eric John Cortez. While Aqua Basketball is a proud member of SBP, Samahan Basketball ng Pilipinas.
Ayan na po. Sisimula na. Welcome na sa ating Sabado Ball Game. So yun na nga po, no? Game 3 to ng kanilang semis. Agaw ni Bricks. Wala. So literal to na do or die ball game. Ang mananalo sa kanilang dalawa ay papasok sa finals at haharapin ng APC Rams varsity team. Wala. Medyo trivia lang, no? Etong dalawang team na to, wala silang na-miss na semis. Yon, napasok ni Miguel Amoral. 4 points na agad para sa Tostitos. Ayun. Oops, naagaw po. Drive ni Trinidad. There we go.
Trinidad.
So since 2015, laging nasa semis ang Tostitos. At simula nung sali ng Benny Vidi Vici na Richmond Oilers dati, lagi rin silang nasa semis. So medyo suki na rin ang finals ang dalawang teams. Nalusot. Nope, hindi pumasok. Nasty 3 points si RG. At wala. Oops. Nasalba pa. Wala. Dito magkakaalaman kung sino ang may championship material. No, yan gagawa ng bola. Jump ball po tayo. Okay, babalik sa purple ang bola.
replacing Miguel Amoral.
Oh, natisot po. Yun.
Now, number 30, Toyo Castañeros wants his first team foul. Working to shoot.
Ay, naabos.
Shot clock violation.
Naubusan sila ng oras. Yung game 1, panalo ang Tostitos, 81-71. Oops, ayun nga.
Toyo Castañeros.
Tulad ng mga ganyan. At nung second game, nakabawi naman siyang Benny Bibibici. Ups. Natawagan ng foul. Tawagan ng foul sa La Cuesta.
Number 24, Gus de la Cuesta, his first foul, second team foul. Johnny Pereira comes in. Kyle Trinidad, 17 to shoot.
Ups, tumira ng tres. Yo, nag-time out. Lately nga, nag-iinit ulit si Bricks, no? Throughout the elimination round, medyo
For APC alumni updates, please visit our website at alumni.apc.edu.ph and follow our social media accounts on Facebook, X, and Instagram.
ganyan,
The
sabi ko,
updates broadcast in real-time, play-by-play stats. Please follow the Aqua Basketball Tournament Facebook page or visit our website at alumni.apc.edu.ph.
so live nga ang ating coverage ng Game 3. Itong Game 3 sa ating Upcrab Basketball Tournament Facebook page. Up sila, haba na naman. Bukan nila ni Brooks at yo!
Archie Grapil.
Medyo 11-point game na po ito mga kaibigan. At yun na.
3 points. Labush Chamblani.
Minsan may pagka-marksman din to si Lavesh, lalo kapag humahabol sila ng puntos, no? Petres din si Guess.
Yes, de la Costa. The three.
Umuulan ng tres ngayong araw. Kaso yun lang.
Now, number 24, Gus de la Cuesta is second. Third team foul. Alex Tagle for Gus de la Cuesta.
Lalabas muna si Gabriel, nakadalawa na siya.
Replacing Archie Grabin. 90 to shoot.
Oops, hindi. Oops, muntik na lumabas. Malayong malayo. Bitin. Ups. Whoops. Sa pamula kay Breaks, bitin ulit. Akin na Tostitos pa rin ang bola. Oops, that would be a foul.
Moving foul, number 25, JP Massa. That's his first foul. Shooting team, Briggs Estadillo.
Ayan, kita po namin sa comments. Shoutout daw kay Idol Birthday Boy, Yani Magpantay. Wala pa siya sa loob eh. So, ulitin na lang natin yung greeting pag pumasok na siya. Hops!
Pushing foul, number 8, Briggs Estadillo is first. That is the 14th foul for Tostitos.
Penalty danger na.
AJ Gloria replacing Jerry Castañares. Shot clock 18 seconds.
Lamang ang Tostitos by 12. Kailangan humabol. Up.
Out of bounds.
Hindi gumana yung kanilang pinabalak. Petres si Alex Taglet. Yo!
3 points, Alex Taglet.
Kailangan humabol ng Benny Vidivici. Medyo unusual to para sa kanila. Oops, hindi pumasok. Oh, nakagolin ng Tostitos. Sa loob, oh! Foul ulit.
Knocking foul, number 41, Lopez Shamnani is first. 17th foul, subdivision. Patrick Sambillion replacing Akas Antabo. 2 free throws, AJ Gloria.
Kailangan natin mag-update ng strategy ng Benny Vidivici. Dahil sabi ko nga kanina, medyo unusual to, natambak sila at this point, this early. 16 points ng lamang ng Tostitos. Okay. Lane violation.
Dweller violation for entering to C.
Yun. Wala. Kalimutan nila yung bola. Yun. Good pass.
Estadillo.
Yo, Justin. Hey.
3 points, Justin Beckman.
Tignan natin kung masusustain ng Tostitos lo buong laro. Oh, natin sa pareho. Okay.
Pushing foul, number 23, AJ Gloria, penalty. That's his
Penalty na.
first foul. JD Reyes replacing Bricks Estavillo.
Ayun na nga, 17 points ang lamang ng Tostitos.
At the line 2, Justin Abekabel.
Ayun na, pwede kayo ng bola. Okay, 2 minutes na lang po. Yun na nga, wala pang double digit ang score ng Benny. Medyo nag-iinit ngayon ng Tostitos. Oops, out of bounds. Wala sa malayo.
Justin Abekabel, 3 points.
Ayan na, pumasok na sila. Double digits na ang scoring. Ayun. Traveling po.
Traveling. Gus de la Cuesta replacing EJ Gloria.
Wala ulit sa malayo. Not to be short. Oh! Ganda tawag natin dyan.
The rebound
Blocking
of number
foul.
9, Justin Abekabel is first. Timeout, Tostitos.
So officially tambak ba to? Hindi pa naman? Kaya sabi ko nga kanina, mukhang hindi tumatalabang kung anong ginagawa ngayon ng Benny.
Webcasts in real time, play-by-play stats. Please follow the Aqua Basketball Tournament FB page. Or visit our website at alumni.apcu.edu.ph/basketball.
Sabi ko nga kanina, nakakapanibagong laro ng Benny Vidivici. Lalo at this crucial point in the tournament.
Shot clock 19 seconds.
Labas ulit, muntik nang mapitawan.
From JP Massa.
Out of bounds
Out of
ulit.
bounds.
Last 10 seconds of the first quarter. Hindi natin kung makakapuntos pa ang Benny. Up. Out of bounds ulit. Last 2 seconds. Babato na lang yan. Wala.
The opening quarter ends at 25-14 in favor of Tostitos.
Medyo maaga pa ang laro, pero mukhang nanganganib ang Benny na matanggal sa tournament.
Hello, SOE APC alumni. We are excited to invite you to the School of Engineering's annual alumni consultative meeting happening on August 16, 2025, Saturday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the APC Multipurpose Hall 2, second floor. This annual gathering is an opportunity to reconnect with fellow alumni and faculty, share valuable insights and experiences, and help shape the future direction of our academic programs. Meals and refreshments will be provided. Come hungry for both food and conversation. We look forward to seeing you there and hearing your thoughts. For more info, visit the APC School of Engineering Facebook page at facebook.com/SOE Week.
Kung di malinaw yung announcement, sa August 16 po, merong alumni consultative meeting ang School of Engineering dito sa APC. So next Saturday yun, ng hapon, 1 to 4 p.m. sa APC Multipurpose Hall 2, second floor. Yan na nga, second quarter. Babalak na naman mag-press ang Tostitos. Archiblatil. Wala, bitin na naman. Okay. 13 seconds.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Yun, tumira na naman si Bricks. Wala, hindi muna gumana ngayon. Isa pa. May pasok yan.
Bricks Estapillo.
Nakabawi naman si Bricks. Bitin niya na Carlo. Oops. Naharangan. Kaso yun, nakuha uli. Ako dumadaos-dos sila. Jump ball.
One ball possession arrow points to Benny Bibibici
Bola ng purple.
with 16 seconds to shoot.
Yun. Easy play.
Kyle Trinidad
Wala kay Kyle Trinidad.
from Akas Antado.
Yeah. Forma nila ulit. Walang tawag. I-drive ulit ni Ababoto. Kaya namang
Trinidad from Carlo Abubato.
easy basket na naman mula kay Kyle Trinidad. Medyo nalusutan sila dun. Dalawang magkasunod na. Yan na, sige. Kaso lang. Tinding block ni Carlo. Double dribbling.
Violation.
Yan, nakahabol naman ang Benny. This is a 9-point game.
Joel Ferrer together with Ivan Gomez comes in.
Mukhang may sitwasyon po tayo doon kay Mark Sardenia. Mukhang napulikat po ata. Yun nga. Mandatory substitution po ito. Sardenia is favoring his left leg. Okay, tuloy natin ulit. pumasok ang tres ni Jero, pero ang tres ni Bricks ay papasok.
Luis Escobillo.
Yun, nakuha uli ng Tostitos ang bola. That would be a foul for Labesh Chanani.
Meanwhile, number 41, Labesh Chanani, the second first team foul. Dimitrios Jerry Castañeres.
Okay, libre ba? Magiging libre ba ang yung hindi pumasok? Hindi. Yup! Nabawi ni De La Costa. So, yung long pass. At least mananatili sa Benny ang bola. 21 seconds. Oops. Naagaw. Archie for dive. Hindi. Wala. Di rin gumana ang tira ni Bricks. Ayan na si Marcantabo. Wala. Got a free. Then, di rin. Oops. Pasok. That's a free. Bukang bumawi. Yan ulit si Kyle Trinidad. Marami na lang punto si Kyle mula sa ilalim ng basket. Kala ko yung isa pa eh. Kaso yan, si Lester. Napalakas ng bato. Wala rin, hindi rin gumana ang kay Jeff. Yo. Easy basket ulit. At nagtatawag ng timeout ang Tostitos.
Timeout Tostitos.
It's a 14-point game mga kaibigan.
The ABC Alumni Athletes, please visit our website at alumni.apc.edu.ph or follow our social media accounts on Facebook, X, and Instagram.
On too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep crazy.
Ayun nga, kita rin namin sa comments. Shoutout daw kay Archie. Shoutout daw po kay Archie Gratil mula sa ating dating naging player dito sa tournament, si George Narcha. Oh, di ba? Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan si George, no? Si George Narcha. Simulang mga early years ng isa sa mga pioneers itong tournament ito. Kaya shoutout din sa kanya. Wala sa committee lang. Pasok ulit ni Drake. Wala. At hindi pang depensa. Oops! Nakakita.
3-second violation.
Oo, 3-second violation lang pala. Yun, mula sa gilid. Oops! Under the basket ulit. Napasok ni Gerald Ferrer. Yo! Natin ulit. Ayan, this time, nakakita na.
Again, foul number 9, Justin Abekadel, second team foul. Seconds to shoot.
Wala ulit sa 3-point line. Pasok! Wala akong numbers right now, pero ang daming 3 points made ng Tostitos. Oops! Traveling. Ingat lang, mukhang yun, mawawarningan po si JP Masa. Resentment ata.
Warning on Benny Vidivici, number 25, JP Masa, unsportsmanlike behavior.
Ayun, unsportsmanlike daw. Uli. Babalak na naman mag-tres. Wala. Ang layo bola, oops! Naubusan ng oras. Kailangan pa ng Benny ng 15. Itira ulo ni Justin mula sa malayo. Wala. Oops! Nakuha ni Belardo. Fast break point pa to. Nope. Pasok.
Bernard Belardo.
Yung tetres ulit sila, Bes. Yun.
Rabish, Chavdani,
So far, wala pang minti sila, Bes. Meron na ata. Pero, at least maraming napupunto sila, Bes, mula sa 3-point line. Maikli yun. Kaso, nakuha ulit. Namuraw, pinasa kay Bricks. At, wala. Napalakas. Nangyari dun. Pasok sila, Bes. Oh, maling pasa. Wala. Hindi raw tinawagan. Yun, nakuha uli ni Alex. Tagle, oops. Maikli. Yops. Yun, naipasok ni Justin. Up, subukan ni Gerald, mapasok. Wala.
Maging foul number 25, JP Masa, the second, 13 foul.
Yep, 13
Addressing
fouls
the
na.
owner, replacing Kyle Trinidad.
13 fouls na ang Benny Vidivici.
Also, Michael Santiago comes in.
Oops. Pasok agad yun.
Mike Santiago.
At sa quick pass.
2 minutes.
Uli, bitin yun. Wala kay Justin. Tatakbo uli. Yep. Iba na kasalo. Balik uli sa purple. Yun. Yun. Maasahan mo si Jordan Mindan. Kayang-kaya niya pumuntos kahit Pauling drive ni Joel. Yes, back to back. Okay, 10 puntos na lang ang lamang ng Benny sa dalawang magkasunod na drive ngayon ni Joel Ferrer. wala. Sobra. Whoa! Yun. Napababa ng Benny Vidivici ang lamang.
Weather updates, webcast, and real-time play-by-play. Stats, please follow the Opera Basketball Tournament Facebook page. Or visit our website at alumni.edu.ph/basketball.
So ito lang ang laro ngayong araw, kaya ang mananalo dito ay mag-a-advance sa Elite Finals. Makakaharap ang APC Rams Varsity. Ayan na si Lester De Luna. Oops! Tumawid lang ang bola. Ivan Gomez, hindi gumana. Balik sa blue ang bola. Oops! JB, nabitawan. Yun. At ito press uli ni Justin. Wala. 24 seconds. Tiglag lang daw. Ito makakaisa pa ba ang blue? JB Reyes, wala. Sumobra ang kanyang 3 points. Ayan na sila, Tresyon Bilon. Pinasa kay Ivan Gomez. Pasok!
Ivan Gomez!
Just in time!
Halftime scoring, the score, Vici 35, Tostitos 43.
Better do a leap and make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for a dance, throw the run on.
Okay, yan na. Napababa na ng
Invite you to the School of Engineering's annual alumni consultative meeting happening on August 16, 2025, Saturday from 1 p.m. to
Actually, before APCRA, there was this Asia Pacific College Alumni Association, or APCA, which was the first one established organization, but it was an attached organization to the Career and Placement Office during that time. And then from there, we had the alumni events and gatherings until the then President, Paulo Lorena of APCA, decided to come up with a separate entity, which is now APCRA. Okay. The first president, like I mentioned earlier, was Paulo Lorena, was also the president of APCA before APCRA was created. And then, aside from me as a corporate secretary, we also had Mark Manoy, we also had Sander Solis and Rom Capus, who were all part of the officers of the APCRA.
So we had a lot of alumni homecoming events there. So we had, at first we had the per school homecomings. Like the first was the SOCSIP homecoming. We have INSOE homecomings, and we also had the ISOMA homecoming. We also had outreach activities, especially the one where we joined another volunteer group in visiting the Philippine General Hospital, and we gave food and a little bit of entertainment to the patients there. And we also had alumni consultative meetings. So of course, it's also per school to help APC in getting feedback from our alumni in the industry.
During my starting role as a corporate secretary in APCRA, we used to have the bar camp APC, wherein we invited people, or we invited alumni in APC to actually talk about their expertise here in APC. So students were able to listen to the expertise of our former alumni. And then we also have the Alumni Bazaar, wherein we invited alumni entrepreneurs to sell their stuff here in APC. that, I would like to invite everyone to join all of our activities here in APCRA. It really pays to come back to school from time to time, and sometimes it really is very good, or I'd like to tell everyone that it feels good to be here after some time. And I hope to see all of you later on. Thank you.
So, thank you po. Thank you very much sa pagpunta sa mga alumni activities natin. Thank you very much sa pag-participate. Please continue supporting our activities dahil tayo lang din naman nag-organize ito. So, feel free to come back. Please, feel free to come back. And please, also, if you want to suggest activities or events na gusto nyo mangyari na kayang gawin ng APCRA, go lang, just message us, send us a message. And we would really like to see you back here in APC because this will always be your second home.
We are currently establishing yung mga mga events. So, take time to join them. So, para naman sa atin lahat yun eh. So, mas maganda kung makakasali rin kayo sa mga events. Another thing is yung bisita naman ulit kayo dito sa APC. Sigurado may mga nakakamiss sa inyo dito na mga staff or mga professors. Gusto na kayong kamustahin. And another thing is be proud. Be proud of being an APC.
Ayan, habang naghahantay tayo sa second half, ito ang resulta ng first two quarters of the game. 43-35 lang mga Tostitos ng 8. Okay, medyo first time natin ito gagawin, no? Sa isang dekada ng basketball tournament, meron tayong halftime analysis. So sa field goal percentage, lamang ang Benny Vici, 40%. At mas maraming tumira ang Tostitos, pero yun, 34% lang ang pumapasok. Sa rebounds naman, sa rebounds lamang ang Tostitos ng 33 with 43. Tapos sa loob ng points in the paint, 22 points, at from turnovers, 14 points ang ahead ng Tostitos. At ang ating leading scorers up to this point, ayun na nga, nakarami ng trace breaks kanina, no? That would be kaya basta marami siyang tres kanina. Mamaya na namin ibigay yung actual ayun pala. So from the 3-point line, 2 out of 5 si Brix Estabillo, pinundan ni Ges de la Cuesta with 8, Jerry with 6, and Alex with 3 points. Sa kabila naman with Benny Vici si Justin na Makibel. Big 9, at yun nga, nakita natin kanina yung lahat, yung mga drive sa ilalim ng basket ni Kyle Trinidad with 8. At yung dalawang tres nila, Besh, pasok na pasok siya with 6 points. And Joel Ferrer, yung kanyang back-to-back na under the basket din, nabuo yun with 6 points. So yun nga, ang consequence ito, sino mang manalo dito, siya na papasok sa finals, mga kalaban ng ABC Rams Varsity. At shoutout po, dahil nga bagong-bago ito, may mga nagpapa-shoutout sa amin, simulang wala, mula sa chat, si Jem Bagito ng Trenion OGs. Hi daw. Sino pa? Hindi pa pumasok si Yani mo, no? Si Yani Magpantay, no? Pero yun, birthday nga niya daw today. Magiging regalo kaya ito para sa kanyang team ang pagpasok nila sa finals. Sige natin. So kung may papashoutout ko, go lang. Mababatang laro. At ito nga lang laro natin ngayong araw. Dahil next week, magsisimula ng Game 1 ng parehong D-League at Elite Tournaments dito sa Accra Basketball Tournament. Ayan. Kita-kits in a bit para sa simula ng third quarter.
You like curtains on Saturday. I gotta have you and I cannot wait now. Hey little shorty, say you care for me. You know I care for you. You know that I'll be true. You know that I won't lie. You know that I will try to be your everything. Yeah, I got you. I don't need money. I don't need cars. Girl, you're my all. Yeah, yeah. I'm into you and your love. What else would do? With every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. Can't be the only. It's hard to love the world tonight with the love of your life. Feel what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Yeah, and I will never try to deny that you are my whole life. 'Cause if you ever let me go, I would die. So I won't run. I don't need another woman. I just need it all or nothing. 'Cause if I got that, then I'll be straight. Baby, you're the best part of my day. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Set the hearts all over the world tonight. Ooh, yeah. They need it, boo. They need it. I gotta see you, boo.
Ayan, balik na tayo. This is the third quarter of Game 3 of the Elite Semis between Benny Vici and Tostitos. Lamang ang Tostitos 43 sa 35 ng Benny Vici. Pinapasok si Tagle de la Cuesta, Estadillo, San Diego at Getil. Nasa loob sila ngayon at sa Benny Vici sina Bekebel, Ferrer, Aboboto, natitira. Oops, pasok yun.
Hello, Aboboto!
Si Gomez at si Trinidad. Bilis, 6 points agad. Pinaba agad to 6 points ang lamang. Oops. Naipasok si Briggs Estadillo. Siya ang ating point leader ngayon sa kampo ng Azul. Yaps, titira ni Justin sa 3. Pasok!
Justin Abigabel!
Kung kailangan nila yun, yan. Mabana sa 5 points ang lamang. Yep, nakuha uli ni Justin. Oh! Oops. Napulikat ata si Aboboto. Kapalitan muna siya. Sino papalit? Okay, si JP daw. Ang papalit muna kay Carlo Aboboto. Okay, tuloy tayo. Yan, Petres si Justin. Nasa kaliwa. Ups, nasalba ni Gomez.
Ivan Gomez!
Yan na, 3. Tatlo na lang ang habulin ng Benny. Babawi ang Tostitos. Ups. Sinira ni Guess, wala. Kuha ni Michael San Diego, nag-foul si Ivan Gomez.
Holding foul on number 13, Ivan Gomez. His first team foul. 40 seconds to shoot.
Easy lang daw. Hindi ko alam sinong team nagsabi ron, pero teka. Okay. Sintas ng sapatos. Okay, game. 14 seconds. Karat sa Tostito. At titira ulit si Archie. Over the backboard.
Over the backboard, out of bounds.
Okay, nag-walk with.
Warning on Benny Vici for improper bench decorum.
Na-warningan ang Benny Vici for improper bench decorum. Okay, medyo bumagal uli. Pero oops, na-miss ang mark doon. Tinatakbo na bitawan. Yan. Yun. Wala.
That will not count. Walking down number 25, JP Massa. That's his third foul. Second team foul. 16 seconds to shoot.
Ani-inbound po ni Alex Tagle. Up, sitira na 3 si Bricks. Wala. Medyo ups, nag-aagaw sila ng bola. That would be a jump ball.
Jump ball possession error.
At papupunta ang bola sa Benny Vici. Medyo natenga tayo sa 3 puntos na lamang ng Tostitos. Si Justin uli. Isa pa, wala. Wala ang press niya. Nakuha ni Ivan. So naagaw ni Archie. Ups. Napasa kay Guess. Wala po. Nakuha uli ni Justin ang bola. Sinigay kay JP. Hindi. Masyadong lampas sa kaliwa. Ups. Natakbo ni Bricks. Yon, block. Pero foul. Foul kay Trinidad.
Foul on number 16, Kyle Trinidad. That's his first foul. Fourth team foul.
Papasok ulit si Carlo
Carlo
Bawoto.
Bawoto checks back in for Ivan Gomez.
Yan. 2 free throws para kay Bricks.
Lavesh Chandani for JP Massa.
Yun, si Lavesh ulit bumalik.
At the line, 2, Bricks Estadillo.
Isa lang pulasok mula doon. Oops. Pass break point. Para kay Kyle Trinidad. Hoy, 2 points na lang. 46-44. Okay, kay Archie. Sinira ni Guess, wala. Oh, nakuha ni Michael San Diego. Pinasa kay Alex Tetres. Yun! 3 points! Ako, balik sa 5 ang lamang. F. Kay Kyle. Bitin. Ups. Long pass. Naagaw ni Joel Ferrer. Balik kay Kyle ang bola. Si Carlo, 3 points. Wala. Bitin. Bitin yun. Libre. Okay. Whoops. Nice pass.
Estadillo from Archie.
Hindi nung team up ni Ops. Si Lavesh, subukan, sa loob. Naharangan. Wala. Nilawa ang bola. Foul and first one.
Michael Santiago is first. Diego Castañares coming in for Archie Gratin. At the line for two, Ravish Chandani.
Okay, 7 points na ang lamang ng Tostitos. Okay, 6 points na lang. Okay. Lusot pareho. Para kay Labesh yun na, no? Yun. Libreng-libre, wala. Sa uli. Ay, hindi. One middle, oops. Magsakdol. Long pass ulit. Kyle Trinidad, Naps, naharangan. Way! Hindi. Nakuha ulit ng Tostitos ang bola. Ayan na. Yun. I guess na ulit. Nilabas kay Alex. Ops, kalma lang daw ulit. Regroup. Halfway through the third quarter. Ops. Out of bounds po. Okay, mananatili sa asul lang bola.
Warning on Billy Bucci, number 27, Carlo Boboto, for delaying the game.
May warning uli. May warning si Carlo Boboto for delay of game.
That was Sambilon comes in for Kyle Trinidad.
Okay, so Sambilon muna pamalit kay Trinidad. 8 seconds. Yep, pinalik kay Bricks. Palusot. Wow! Sumalabog pabalik. Okay, the drive. Nakakagawang bola ni Guess. At, hindi gumana yun mula kay Jero at Bricks. Ito na si Joel, binagay kay Latrell at, oops, agawan ng bola. Out of bounds.
Miguel Amoral comes in.
Okay, magcha-challenge po ang out of bounds na yun para malaman natin kanino ang post. Challenge ni Alex Tagle. Yung last play.
Challenging the last out of bounds play.
Tingnan natin. So dito sa Alumni Basketball Tournament, we have the benefit of instant review, no? So yun na, nire-review na ang footage ng huling play. So tingnan natin, no? After kasi nung nabitawan yung so pagka-inbound, kuha ni Jerl, kaso binigay kay Sombilon, tinira sa basket, kaso yun nga, ang last touch ay si okay, unsuccessful po ang ating challenge dahil last
challenge was unsuccessful.
Last touch kasi si Alex Tagle dun sa bola, kaya mananatili sa Veni Vidi Vici ang bola. 12 seconds.
12 to shoot.
Yan na nga. Subukan. Depensa, ops, nabitawan. Okay, nakuha. Oy! Shot clock.
Violation.
Naubusan po ng oras sa drive. Okay. Up. Akala natin magtitres si Alex, hindi pala. Binalik kay Alex, tagle. Yun nga, nagtres na. Kaso, hindi pumasok. Oops, nabawi ni Amuraw. Wala. Okay, nasa venue na uli ang bola. Andun nag-aabang. At Relson Dillon.
From Dillon, from Justin Abekibel.
Yep, good assist mula kay Abekibel. Yun. Oops, naagaw ni Justin Abekibel ang bola. Basket's good!
As good as good by Justin Abekibel. Foul by number 8, Bricks Estabilio, second.
Mahat, second foul na ni Bricks.
Second team foul. Estabilio for Gus de la Cuesta. With a bonus, Justin Abekibel.
Nasa free throw line uli ang Benny. Kaya Justin. Bonus lang. Hindi pumasok. Ups. Brad Nubix nabindawan. Kaso nakuha ni Jero. Wala. Kuha uli. Bricks. Wala. Jero ulit. Pasa kay Bricks. Foul kay JP. Yeah.
Howling foul, number 25, JP Massa, his fourth foul. And that is the 14th foul for Benny Bidibici.
Ay, nanganganib uli sa penalty.
So the addition, Miles Rivera comes in.
Masok si Mark Cardenia.
Shooting 2, Bricks Estabilio.
So 3 points na po, ang 3 points na lang ang lamang ng Tostitos. Ni Marcedenia ang bola. Oops, nagkabanggaan. Si Carlo at si Jero.
Running foul, number 30, Jerry Castellares, his second, 13th foul.
Kay Jero ang foul sa pagkakataong yun. May chance ang itay ang laro o idikit pa. Kay Glavesh, papasok ba ito? Yun! On the mark ang tres. Yun, saglit lang. Saglit lang na tabla. Pinasok ulit ni Jero. 55-53. Ups. Up, nasa loob. Easy pass. From Dillon.
From Justin Abekibel.
Yung nakakaligtaan nila yung under the basket, no? Up. Na kay Alex. Nasa kay Bricks. Ilusot na naman. Yun.
Bricks Estabilio.
57. Para sa Tostitos. Medyo mas nagiging intense na, no? Up, katres si Justin. Masyadong malakas. Out of bounds. 9 seconds. Bola pa rin na Benny.
9 on the shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot.
Okay na kay Justin. Katres si Justin. Boom. Wala. Kay Bricks ulit, titres ulit. Di rin. Okay, retain. Kay Bricks pa rin. Okay, dati. Good. Okay, napasok. Pasok muna si Kyle.
There was a warning on Tostitos, number 8, Bricks Estabilio, but delaying the game.
Oh, okay. May warning din. Delay of game. Okay. Around a minute left sa third quarter. Binigay kay Carlo. Nilulusot na paloob. Yun. Oops! Medyo halang dalawang tao yun ah.
Issue foul of number 20, Miguel Amaral is first. And that is the 14th foul for Tostitos.
Ay, palit bola daw. Nasa free throw line uli ang Benny. This time,
Mike Santiago replacing Miguel Amaral. At the line to Carlo Aboboto.
nagpalit sila ng big man ng Tostitos. Okay, another chance na gawing 2-point game lang to. Pag na-shoot ni Carlo Aboboto. At yun na nga. Just less than a minute. Pinasa kay Alex Tagle. Ayun, sa kabila. Nandun si Brooks, nag-aabang. Oops, nahuli ni Alex. That would be good.
Alex Tagle.
Yun nga. Sa pang possession para sa Benny. Kay Lavesh ulit. Binalik kay Kyle. Hello, kay Carlo. Hindi. Okay, itatakbo ni Kaso.
Holding foul on the 27, Carlo Aboboto. Penalty, first foul on Carlo Aboboto.
Natawagan ng foul si Aboboto. With less than 20 seconds.
Alex Tagle.
Hindi pumasok yung una. 40 second. Okay. I guess last possession na to for this quarter. Whoops. Yun, hindi gumana yun. Para kay Carlo. Ayun, si Bricks naman. This time, press ulit. Wala. Pakuha ni Lester. Block! At yun, kaso yun. Galit!
At the end of the third quarter, the score is 62-57 in favor of Tostitos.
Mas umaati ka ba yung quarter na yun, no?
SOE APC alumni. We're excited to invite you to the School of Engineering's annual alumni consultative meeting happening on August 16, 2025, Saturday, at 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the APC Multipurpose Hall 2nd floor. This annual gathering is an opportunity to reconnect with fellow alumni and faculty, share valuable insights and experiences, and help shape the future direction of our academic programs. Meals and refreshments will be provided. Come hungry for both food and conversation. We look forward to seeing you there and hearing your thoughts. For more info, visit the APC School of Engineering Facebook page at facebook.com/SOE-Week.
Masumati ka ba yung quarter na yun? Dahil naka-22, naka-22 na points ang Benny Durubici kumpara sa 20 ng Tostitos on the third quarter. Nag-iinit ngayon dito at this point in the game, nag-iinit si Bridges Tabilo, 28 points. At sa kabila naman si Lavesh with 11. Lahat ng tres ni Lavesh pasok. Kaya posible pa.
Start of the fourth quarter.
Sabi ni Carlo dito mula sa Sa table, maganda nga ang laro. Yan indeed, maganda nga ang laro. Yan, si Archie titira ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola ng
Out of
Veni.
bounds.
So, balik na si Mark Antabos. Kasama ni Lavesh. Ni Justin. At yun si Trinidad at si Ferrer para sa Veni. Nasa loob si Alex, si Archie, Lester, Michael at Bricks para sa Tostitos. At tinira uli ni Lavesh. Yun. Hindi na pumasok this time. Foul on 41.
Foul at number 71. Atlas and Pablo is first. Warning on Benny Bibi Pichi, number 41, Lavesh Jagnani for faking a foul.
Na-warningan din si Lavesh. Kaso wait lang, nagmamap pa ulit. Bago natin i-inbound, siguruhin lang natin na walang madudulas sa court. Yan, mukhang good na. Inbound. Nagtagle kay Gratil. Kay Bricks. Nilabas kay Alex. Kasi matindi depensa ng Veni. Yan, kay Archie ulit. Traveling. Okay. Pipinasa kay Jerl. Oops. Kapila kay Mark Antabo. Pasok. Oops. Bola ng Tostito. Ay, tatakbo ni Archie. Binigay kay Bricks. Oops. Ayun. Sinong tatawagan sa kanilang dalawa? 71. Kay Antabo ang foul.
Rolling foul at number 71, Atlas and Pablo is second. Second team foul. 18 seconds to shoot.
Okay, nibibigay. Tatanggapin ni Michael San Diego. Okay. Outside the 3-point kay Archie. Oops. Binigay ulit kay Alex. Wala. Oops. Nakuha ni Lester. Sa good recovery. Balik na sa sa Veni ang bola. Subukan ni Justin, makalusot. That's the 3 points. Pasok!
Justin
Pa-drive ni Bricks. Naharangan sa ni Antabo. Up. Technical. 71.
Technical foul on Benny Pichi, number 71. Atlas and Pablo for faking a foul. Second infraction. Third foul on Atlas and Pablo.
Okay. Substitution. Lalabas muna si Mark Antabo.
Comes in.
Tatlo na foul na.
Antabo. Technical free throw. Bricks Estabilio.
64-60. Bonus free throw. Wala. Stays there.
Seconds to shoot.
Yan na nga. Ilabas ulit kay Alex. Hindi. 2 points lang. At kay Lester. Nakuha ni Michael. Foul. One more. Kay Gerald Ferrer.
Having foul on number 10, Gerald Ferrer. That's his first. And that is the 14th foul of Benny Vici.
Yeah.
2 free throws, Michael Santiago.
So yun na nga, 14 fouls na agad. In the fourth quarter. Kaso hindi pumasok yung kay Michael San Diego na unang free throw. Okay, hindi uli. Hindi pa rin gagalaw ang scoreboard. Kay Justin ng bola. Up, 3 points, another attempt. Wala. Okay, na kay Lester, binigay kay Archie. 2 points lang. Hindi gumana. Okay, Trinidad. Oops, nabitawan. Bola pa rin ng Benny. 18 seconds.
18 seconds to shoot.
Up. Hindi ulit kay Justin. Iipit si Archie dun. Up, step 3. Nope, nope. Hindi papasok ni Jay. Oops, wait lang. Tumama ang
Loving foul on number 31, Michael Santiago, and second. First team foul.
tumama yung kanang paa ni Gerald. Tingnan natin. Okay, mukhang okay. Okay, mukhang kaya pa naman pero okay, free throw muna. Okay, chine-check ni Lavesh kung kaya ba ni Gerald. Okay. Okay, after doon ng free throw, magsasub out si Gerald. Ay, hindi, magta-timeout. Mukhang magta-timeout na ata sila after ng free throw. Or, okay, timeout na muna!
Timeout, Vici.
So, medyo matagal lang tambay natin sa 64-60. So,
for updates, webcasts in real time, play-by-play stats. Please follow the App Club Basketball Tournament Facebook page at facebook.com/appclub. Ball or visit our website at alumni.apc.edu.ph/basketball.
matindi ang depensa ng parehong teams. At yun nga, hindi pa nagalaw since kanina ang 64-60. Tingnan natin kung matitiis ni Gerald lang sakit sa kanyang kanang paa for 2 free throws to make this game a 2-point game. Tingnan natin. Ayaw. Ayaw sa una. Tingnan natin sa pangalawa. Yun, pasok yun. 64-61. Pero magsasub muna si Jerry.
JP Massa coming in.
At si JP ang papasok. JP ang papasok. 7 minutes left. Kay Bricks ulit. Yan kay Alex. Binalik kay Bricks. Papasok. Oops. 3 points ata. Hindi. Oops. Nakuha ni Carlo. Kaso yun. Libre yung bola. Nakuha ulit ni Archie. Si Alex. Papasok. Oops. Oh. Naharangan. Okay. Yung bato ni Glavesh. Nakuha ni Archie. Alex Tagle. Wow! Tagle. Tama. Okay. Anong strategy ngayon ng Benny? Yan lang. Nagas ng bola, binigay kay Trinidad for 3. Nope. Yun. Bricks gets the ball. And nahuli ni Archie. Hey. May Alex ngayon. Oops. Bricks. Under the basket.
Brooks Estabilio.
30 points na daw si Bricks Estabilio. Medyo maganda. Nag-iinit na performance niya Bricks ngayong game 3. Ito pagkakalala ko 18 lang sa last ng game 2 eh. At na kay Bricks ulit. Binig up kay Archie. Lester. Wala ang fast break na yun. Okay. Lavis, si Justin, magtitres ulit. Hindi, sobra. Palakas, nakuha ni Carlo. Salva.
Carlo Aboboto.
Yun. Dito pumapasok na tayo sa crunch time para sa parehong teams. Bigay ulit kay Alex. Oops. That would be a foul. Right. Carlo Aboboto.
Number 27, Carlo Aboboto, penalty, second foul. And Carlo Aboboto goes to La Cuesta, replacing Lester Bonilla.
Napasok si Guess, kapalit ni Lester.
Number Bonado comes in for Archie Grapin.
At si Jomar Pilazo.
Alex Tablet.
Okay, 67 na ngayon para sa Tostitos. 5 minutes left. Pareho. Nako. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes. 5-point lead. Ayun na nga. Pinasa kay Lavis. Pinasa kay Kyle for 3. Wala. Bitin naman this time. Okay, nakauli na Bricks ang bola. Lock kay Jomar. Kaso yun. Muntik na yun. Okay, Guess.
Yes, De La Cuesta.
O yan nan. Malayo na uli. Ano yun?
Backward violation.
Ayun, backcourt. Napatagal. Oh, bumalik pala sa half. Okay. Ay, 14.
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, nauli ang Tostito. Itres si Bricks. Nope. Okay, binato. Kaso nahuli ni Jomar. Salin sana ni Carlo. Hindi gumana. And this guy, wala. Balik sa Benny. Justin. Oh! Foul kay Belardo.
Foul on number 13, Jomar Belardo. First. Being foul number 2 for Tostitos.
17 seconds.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
Eh, kala ko titres sila bes eh. Yun, saglit lang daw, sabi ni Kyle. Okay, binalik kay Kyle. Yun na nga, titres. Naku, natawagan pa. That would be his third.
Holding foul on number 27, Carlo Aboboto. Penalty, third foul on Carlo Aboboto.
Eh,
That was Sambilon or Kyle Trinidad.
kapasok
Two
si
free
Latrell.
throws. Guess De La Cuesta.
At may 2 free throws ulit si Guess. Okay, 7 points pa rin ang lamang. Okay, na kay Labes. Sinigay ulit kay Kyle. Only po, naku, wala pa rin. Nahihirapan ng pumuntos ang Benny. Si Joe Mark press, di rin. Wala rin. Okay, kay JP ulit. Kaso ating foul. Substitution for both. Papasok si Luna. At si Gomez. Bola ng Benny. 19 seconds.
For the best Chandani. Shot clock 19 seconds.
Yun na nga. Okay, nahirapan ipasa. Kaso nakuha ni Alex. Binigay kay Bricks. Libre pa. Yay! Wala. Hindi gumana yun. Technique nila ni Bricks sa kanila. Stops! Yun! After timeout. Timeout ang Tostitos.
Tostitos.
Napakaganda nun. Naipasa kay JP, nag-abang sa ilalim eh. At yun na nga, 5-point game. 70-65. Sayang wala pa kami sponsor. Sabihin sana namin, sponsor na kaya.
Updates, please visit our website alumni.apc.edu.ph and follow our social media accounts on Facebook, X, and Instagram.
Yan, so nandito na si Miss Mercy.
Sa kapuntahan, road trip, boom boom.
Napaka solid ng suporta ng ating alma mater, Asia Pacific College, dito sa ating alumni basketball tournament sa loob ng isang buong dekada. More than, of course. Para sa tournament. Lamang pa rin ang Tostitos. 70-65. Last 3 minutes. Oops! Kaso yun! Medyo okay yung tandem nila. Kanina pa sila na gano'n ang galawan sa ilalim ng basket. Okay, na kay JP. Kanina ibibigay. Okay. Saglit na pasa lang kay Justin. Okay, si Tres ulit. Yun! This time, gumana na! It's now a 4-point game. Still anybody's ball game. Oh. Yun. Tres si Alex, kaso wala. Ay, ayun na nga po ang subukan ang Benny na isara ang 4-point lead. Justin, 3, wala. At yun na, fast break kay Jomar. Boom! Okay, magta-timeout ang Triple V. Okay, nako, crunch time na to. Literal, pero pwede pa.
Fast and real-time play-by-play stats. Please follow the Aqua Basketball Tournament Facebook page. Or visit our website at alumni.apc.edu.ph/basketball.
Tignan natin kasi minsan kapag ganitong last 2 minutes at dikit ang laban, napakaraming laro dito sa tournament na minsan mabilisan, minsan puro mga technical lang tawag. Tingnan natin saan mapupunta, ano magiging gameplay natin dito. At dalawa na lang ang timeout ng Tostitos at isa para kay Benny. Oh, mag-i-inbound si Justin.
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, nakailabes. Binalik. Oh! Okay. Okay lang, 8 seconds. On the shot clock. Susubukan, ops, yung depensa. Okay, binatuloy kay Labes. Sige natin. Wala, lakas. Oops! Ano yun? Ako. Yung nagkaroon ng karambola, nagkakasigaw. Wait lang. Oh, pap. Kakasigaw, okay. chill naman sila. Buti naman. Kaso masakit daw. Sa legs ata tama nun. Para kay Carlo, pero okay. I guess he'll walk it off. Magpapasab ba? Okay, magsasab muna.
Subdivision.
Si Ivan Gomez.
Comes in for Labes Chagnani.
Kay Labes pala ang palit. Okay. Inbound ni Alex. Minute 28. Sa larong ito, nakasalalay ang final spot, ang huling final spot para sa finals ng Elite Division. Okay, lala. Sumuporma si Alex. Papasok! Yun, naagaw ang bola ni Carlo. Natin, oops. Hindi, masyadong madikit. Masyado siyang natrap. Kaso foul yun.
Awing foul, number 13, Jamal Blanco, second, 13 foul. At the line, 2, Carlo Abubakar.
Okay. Halos isang minuto na lang. Pag napasok to ni Carlo pareho, it would be a 4-point game. Yun, nasindak mo. Okay. 69-74. Less than a minute. Okay. The drive si Briggs. Binigay kay Alex. The tres. Oh! Hey! Time out ulit. Ang Benny Vici. Lalong lumawak ang lead to 8 points. 45 seconds left. Matinding ano to. Ito na kasi sinasabi ko kanina. Na baka maging ano to, technical last 45 seconds. Then baka maging technical ang mga tawag. Okay, last 45.5 seconds. Si Abeke Bell ang mag-i-inbound. Binigay kay Kyle. Oops. Oy! Okay, holding foul muna uli. Si Jomar.
Single foul, number 13, Jomar Galante is third.
Number 6.
That is the 14th foul for Tostitos. Shot clock 40 seconds.
Okay, reset to 14. 39 seconds. Okay, binigay kay Justin. Tinira niya for 3. Oops, nakuha niya Ivan, hindi gumana. Sa pauli. Okay, kay Carlo naman. Shoot!
Carlo Abubakar.
That was a good hustle, pero yun nga. Kuha ni Guess. Hindi pa pasok eh. Pinakalma ni Lester. Stay down. Okay. Kay Alex. Okay, binasa pa loob kay Lester. Okay, bagal pa uli. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kaso yun na nga. Mukhang at the buzzer. Wala na. Kasi hindi pa.
What about second shot clock violation?
Kaso tatapusin na. I-inbound pa. I-inbound pa ni Carlo eh. Hindi pa daw. Wait lang. Susulitin niya yung last 3.72 seconds. Mali mo nga naman. Okay. Susulitin ni Carlo yung last 3 seconds. Hindi pa daw to set in stone. Kasi pupuntos pa raw. Kyle Trinidad for 3. Yun! Kaso, wala na. What happened, Benny?
Ladies and gentlemen, the final score. We will give you 50, 74, and 77 to the win. They will return to the finals. And they'll be facing the APC Rams for the Aqua Season 9 Elite Finals.
May field trip na naman ang Tostito sa finals ng APCRA Alumni Basketball Tournament.
With 30 points, 12 rebounds, and 5 assists. Bricks Estabilio!
Yun! Back to form si Bricks para sa Game 3 at siya ang best player of the game. At yun nga, balik sa finals ang Tostitos. Kakalabanin nila ang varsity team ng Asia Pacific College sa Elite Division. At sa D-League, ang Game 1 ng D-League, next week between JM Brats saka Renaissance. Ang oras, 1:00 ng hapon next week. Kita-kits sa Game 1 ng finals ng APCRA Alumni Basketball Tournament. A proud member of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Kita-kits!